Happy.
Happy.
She feels happy today. Sad.
Sad.
He looks sad after the movie. Big.
Big.
They live in a big house. Small.
Small.
I have a small dog. Fast.
Fast.
This car is very fast. Slow.
Slow.
The bus is slow today. Hot.
Hot.
It's hot in the summer. Cold.
Cold.
My hands are cold. Clean.
Clean.
The room is clean. Dirty.
Dirty.
His shoes are dirty. Easy.
Easy.
This question is easy. Hard.
Hard.
That exam was hard. Good.
Good.
She is a good student. Bad.
Bad.
That was a bad idea. New.
New.
I bought a new phone. Old.
Old.
This is an old book. Young.
Young.
The baby is very young. Tall.
Tall.
He is tall and strong. Short.
Short.
She is shorter than me. Nice.
Nice.
You have a nice smile.